When most Americans picture life on Earth, they imagine forests, oceans, deserts, or maybe even the frozen Arctic. But some of the strangest living organisms on the planet exist far beneath our feet, nearly 5 miles below the surface. Scientists have discovered thriving microbial ecosystems deep underground in places once thought completely uninhabitable. These organisms survive under crushing pressure, extreme heat, and with almost no sunlight or oxygen. Their existence is changing the way researchers think about life on Earth, and possibly life beyond our planet. What lives that deep underground? At these depths, the creatures are not giant monsters or underground animals. Instead, they are mostly microscopic life forms, including bacteria, archaea, tiny worms, called nematodes, fungi, and other microbes. These organisms form what scientists sometimes call the deep biosphere. Unlike plants on the surface, deep underground organisms cannot rely on sunlight. Instead, many survive through chemosynthesis. These microbes feed on chemicals found in rocks, minerals, hydrogen, sulfur, methane, and underground water. Some scientists describe these organisms as Earth's ultimate survival experts. Temperatures 5 miles underground can exceed 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure is also thousands of times greater than sea level. Yet certain microorganisms thrive here. One example is Geogamma beressi, nicknamed strain 121 for its heat resistance. Researchers studying deep mines in South Africa discovered organisms living more than 2 miles underground in isolated water pockets. In ocean floor explorations, scientists have found signs of microbial life at even greater depths. Some studies estimate that underground life may contain billions of tons of carbon, potentially rivaling the total mass of all humans. The deep biosphere may stretch 4 miles beneath continents and ocean floors around the world. Deep underground life research is not just scientific curiosity. It could affect several major areas, like space exploration. NASA scientists study these microbes because similar organisms might survive beneath the surface of Mars or icy moons like Europa. Understanding underground ecosystems also helps improve drilling safety, geothermal energy projects, and mining operations. Despite movies and conspiracy theories, there is no evidence of giant creatures living 5 miles underground. At those depths, conditions are too extreme for large animals. Nearly all known deep underground life is microscopic. The deep biosphere represents one of the last unexplored frontiers on Earth. 5 miles below the surface, Earth is far from lifeless. These deep Earth creatures may help scientists answer humanity's biggest questions. How resilient is life? Could life exist on other planets?